Hey guys, this is Diana Castillo here, and in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you what I consider which is gonna be the best side hustle on 2023 and beyond. Okay, something really important, guys, is that I'm gonna show you all the strategy here so you can follow this step by step. And something really important again, this is not a get rich scheme. Okay, this is not something that you're blinking your eyes and you're getting rich tomorrow. Okay, so you need to put your time, you need to put your effort, and you are gonna get the results. Okay, I can promise you that, but this takes times and you need to take action. Okay, so basically what is gonna be that we're gonna be promoting other people products or service. We're gonna be doing something that is called actually affiliate marketing. Okay, I'm gonna show you here an easy way in which you can do it, but basically you just need two things. Okay, here is you. This is actually you. You need a product which is going to be a high converting product, and you need a lead, a customer. Okay, someone who have a problem that they want to solve, and you're going to tell these people like, hey, you have this situation. Okay, this is a product that is going to help you. Okay, and here is how you actually make money. Not all products are created equal. Okay, the type of product that I really like is with recurring commission. Okay, this is the type of product that I really like, because literally you get one customer and you're gonna be earning money until that person cancel, and this can take months or even years. Okay, since I started with affiliate marketing back in 2018, I have a lot of people who are actually using the service and the products that I promote for 4 years. Okay, it's like you right now, you're paying your phone bill, you're paying your internet bill. Okay, so that company is making money for you over and over and over again. Okay, so you can start literally with one customer on the very first month or on the very first week. Okay, and if you do this and you take the opportunity to promote the product and the service that I'm going to be revealing, you're going to be earning money from those people. Okay, this is a high stick rate, so that means that they are keep paying this. Also, they do have something what we call the value ladder. Okay, what does that means? That they are going to be paying a really affordable product here, and if they find value, there are other products that they can purchase. Okay, that's optional, but if people are really committed, okay, they are gonna be purchasing it. Okay, also I'm gonna reveal you why I decided to go ahead and promote this, where I'm getting the traffic, because we can have the best product or service, but if we cannot find these people or they are not finding our product or service, we are not going to be earning money. So I'm going to show you everything right now. Okay, the product that I decided to partner with is this one. It's the all-in-one 25 digital business. Literally, you can start this with $25 and you can instantly get commissions for $20 or even $100 month after month after month. One good reason that I decided to go and partner with this company is the fact that this is actually really affordable, and they give you everything that you need. Okay, they give you everything that you need. They give you a product, they give you a website, they give you a sales funnel, they give you pre-reading emails, they give you customer service, ad copy, and others. Okay, another cool thing that I really like is the fact that they are giving us 80% commission. Okay, every single month. Okay, you're gonna be earning 80% commission, which is actually really great. I'm gonna leave a link for you guys so you can take a look of what you're gonna get, but basically you're gonna be getting a funnel builder, you're gonna be getting training, you're gonna be getting the 30-minute working formula. Okay, you're gonna be getting part of the community, you're gonna be getting swipes and all that stuff. And one thing that make me partner with them besides the money, because getting commissions, it's okay. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's actually okay. It's great. It's the fact that they do have a great community. They are doing masterminds, okay, but they also donate, okay. They partner with Feed My Starving Children, and they are donating meals, okay. They are donating meals. So every single time we make a commission, we are actually helping kids, okay. And this happens every single month. So this is another reason why I decided to partner with them, okay. I feel really connected with this cause. So again, if you decide like this is something that you're interested, I'm gonna leave a link below so you can join with just $25, okay. So what else do we need? Remember that here we have, okay, we have a great product that is paying recurring commission. Now we need to find people who are interested on this, okay. This is the hardest part, because a lot of people are going to be telling out there like, hey, you need to create a TikTok account, you need to create an Instagram account, a Facebook group, you need to be chatting with people all day long, okay. Those strategy works, but there is one strategy that I really like, in which literally you're going to be investing $1 per day, and you're going to be getting 100 leads per day, okay. Every single day you're going to be getting 100 leads. So that means that by the end of the month you're going to get 3,000 leads, okay. And by the end of year one you're going to get 30,000 leads, okay. People who are interested in this kind of product and service. And I'm gonna leave a link below so you can check out my lead gen secret, okay. As you can see here, I have day one, I actually have 100 leads, then another 100 leads. I have been using this for a couple of years now. So now what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be clicking here where it says mailing system, okay. You can copy and paste what I'm doing, okay. So you're gonna click here where it says select all, okay, and I'm gonna be sending this email. Literally I'm gonna be copy and pasting this email. This is my subject line, 10,256 with 52 cents plus a month, okay. And let me delete this. Okay, I'm gonna copy this first name because they provide me their first name and the email address. Okay, and here is excuse me. This is actually the email. Let me format it correctly so it's gonna make sense. Oops. Okay, so this is it. First name, it's time to escape. Here, okay, here is the exact $10,256 with 42 cents plus a month. Cash purchase system. Since the login proof, click here, and here I have best regards, my name. So there are a couple of things that I'm going to be doing. First of all, I like to make this bigger. Every single time I send an email or a message, I like it to be size 16. I'm gonna make this bold because this is gonna be my link. I always like to highlight it, and this is the link that I'm gonna be promoting, okay. The all-in-one 25 business sales letter, okay. So I'm gonna copy this, okay. I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna click here so I can actually gonna put my link here. Okay, what else I'm gonna be doing? Okay, what else I'm gonna be doing? I'm gonna click here where it says perfect timing. Okay, so excuse me, the system is gonna be, sending my email on the best time ever. Also, I'm gonna copy my affiliate link for my lead gen secret, and I'm gonna be asking a question here. Okay, this is gonna be something like need leads. Okay, click here. So I'm gonna be promoting my $25 business, and also I'm gonna be promoting my lead gen secret. Okay, I can actually do a preview here. Okay, this is actually how my email is gonna look like. Here is the subject line, here is the body. Okay, remember, take perfect timing, and now we're gonna click here where it says send email. Okay, this is the system is actually sending email. So every single day I'm getting 100 new leads. Okay, if you have one account, you can have multiple accounts. Okay, you can have 2 or 3, or you can have even 5 if you want. So if you decide to have multiple accounts, this is my suggestion for you. Here you have your main account. On this main account, you're gonna find your link and you're gonna open a new account, different email address. It can have the same payment method. And here you're gonna have your second account. And then let's say that you're gonna go with a third account here. Okay, so remember that you're gonna be getting here 100 leads, 100 leads, 100 leads. So 300 leads per day. No, that's false, because my lead gen secret says that if you sponsor at least one person, okay, if someone joined by using your link, okay, you're gonna get double, 200. Okay, so here you have 200, here you have 200. So every single day you're gonna have 500 leads. Okay, you're gonna have 500 leads. This is a strategy that you can use. Again, remember guys, this is not a get rich scheme, okay, but a strategy that works. Okay, strategy that works. Something else that I want to share with you guys is that please make sure that you're gonna be taking the training. Okay, if you decide to join the all-in-one $25 training or all-in-one business, please make sure that you're gonna take it, because you're gonna have all of this and you're gonna have training. Okay, you're gonna have a proven training that you can apply. You're gonna have a funnel builder. Okay, you're gonna have everything that you need. Okay, so you're gonna see you have a lot of things. You're gonna be part of a community. You're gonna be part of a mastermind. Okay, so please make sure that you're gonna take the time to watch the training and to apply it. Okay, this is just one strategy of the multiple strategies that you are gonna be learning on my HBA, the home or the $25 business. Okay, so again, if you want to join, I'm gonna leave both links below. This is for this video. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.